Here's the location of the King Repairs on this beautiful afternoon. We have plenty of parking. All you have to do is just come on through the front door. We're at the second floor, all the way to the right, down the hall. We have the best computer repair here, along with electronics. We do web design, marketing, engineering. We repair anything with a circuit board in it. We'll make sure that you have as many customers as you need for your business. We also help consumers with everyday IT. So we're all the way down to the right. Here we are. Kind of middle of the operation.